Hello guys, today is Thursday and we have the laptop. This is the HP ProBook x360 G3EE. The problem is this laptop will turn on but no display. So let me show you. You can switch the laptop. So I'm going to plug in the power adapter. Turn on the laptop. And the laptop is on. You can see the power on LED. You can see the adapter here, orange light. So the laptop is on, as you can see, but no display. And remember this laptop, so you can see this is the external keyboard. Caps lock not working, it's no display at all. You can see. So remember this laptop has onboard RAM. So the problem may be the RAM on board, or maybe the BIOS, or other things. So we're going to take out this motherboard and diagnose it, so we can fix it. So let's do it. So guys, the motherboard is out, as you can see. So now we're going to turn it on and measure some voltage. Oh no. So let me take the so guys, I've already found the power jack, because the original power jack which comes with this motherboard is too short, so I cannot take out from that housing. So let me use my power jack. This is the laptop from another computer repair shop. So after that, the adapter. Now unplug the power cable. You can see the light here, and the laptop will turn on automatically. As you can see, the power LED. So my multimeter in voltage mode, I'm going to check for voltages. You can see the orange light. So I don't know what the meaning of this orange light here. What's the meaning of orange light? Because we don't have the battery, you can see here. So the black probe on the ground is normal. Here, I see the laptop is restarting. You have 11 voltage, you have 3 voltage. So on the back side is fine. So let me check the voltage on the USB port. If we have the 5 volt, yes, we have the 5 volt. Let me show you. You can see here on the USB port you have, check on my multimeter, you can see the 5.1. So I have the 5 volt. The 5 volt you have here on the keyboard. You have 0.3 on the keyboard. Let me show you. You can see on the keyboard. Look there on my multimeter, you can see 0.3. Good. Speaker. The laptop is like restarting. Have the favorite USB ports. So if we have favorites on the USB port, also if the laptop is on, means we have the 3 voltage, because the power button takes 3 voltage from super, so the display is good. So I'm going to check now. I know the display is good. Let me check this coil here. This is 3.3. Let me show you. We have the CPU core voltage, because the laptop will get hot on the CPU. The CPU gets hot, means we have core voltage, and here we have 1.1, 3.3, 1, 1. What's the problem? Why the laptop is restarting? 1.05, 1.1. So you have the core voltage, you have all the voltage in the CPU because the CPU is getting hot. So let me show you some voltage here. On this coil you have nothing here. You have one voltage. Check my multimeter. On this coil I have the voltage in this coil here. On this coil you have 1.2 voltage. Also here I have 1.2. On this coil you have charging voltage which is 12, and you can see there. So means the charger is good. On this voltage you have 3.3, you can see there. And on this coil have what? On this coil you have 5 volts, and you can see there 5 volt we have. Let me show you. On the other side of the coil you have 5, and also you have 5. So you can see that all the voltage you have all the voltage, and the CPU is get hot. You can see. So you have already measured all the voltage, and you have all the voltage. So what can I say after we have all the voltage? So let me turn off first my multimeter. So first what I can say, let's turn off the laptop by disconnect the adapter. Remember, we have all the voltage, 5 volts, 3 volts, all voltage you have the laptop to display. So what I can do now, I'm going to check the BIOS. So first let's start with BIOS chip. Plug in the power cable adapter. The laptop is really starting. I'll see. Power LED, the orange light. So laptop is on. So my multimeter in voltage mode. I'm going to measure the BIOS voltage. Here on the pin number 1 of the BIOS we have. You can see on the BIOS we have 1.8 voltage. On the pin number 1, you can see here on pin number 1 and the BIOS have 1.8. Not that we're going to use that voltage. On pin number 8 we have 1.8 voltage. You can see here on the pin number 7 have 1.8. Pin number 2 we have 1.8. Pin number 3 have 1.8. Good. So let's check the voltage on the RAM, because we forget to check the voltage in the RAM. Here on the capacitor I have you have 1.1 on the RAM, 1.1, 1.1, 1.2. I think this is DDR4. 1.2, you can see here the RAM we have 1.2, 1.4 here. So I have the voltage in the RAM. 2.2 here we have 2.2, 2.5. On the RAM we have 1.2, you can see there. 1.19, we see 1.2, 1.2, 1.2. This is DDR4 RAM. So I have all the voltage. We have 1.8 on the BIOS chip. Turn off my multimeter. So I'm starting by program. You can see the laptop sometimes it's restarting. You can check the restart itself. So I'm going to reprogram the BIOS chip. So guys, I've already considered the BIOS chip. I've already soldered it on the BIOS adapters. So wait for adapter to cool, and then I reprogram it using the programmer. So wait for the board to cool, then we'll program this BIOS. Guys, we're going to program the BIOS. You can see this is in BIOS program. This is the adapter. Remember, voltage reading in our BIOS is 1.8. So you can see here my adapter is, my BIOS program is set to 1.8 voltage. So you can see I've already detected the file here. So I've already selected it. My BIOS is this one. After that, select. Then I'm going to read the IC here. You can see it's failing. So I'm going to set it again. Now you can see I reading the BIOS. You can see I reading the BIOS file. Then I save it. So I will open a new file. I will program a new file, test if the program is the BIOS or the RAM. So let's wait for this to finish reading IC. Wait until it's finished. You can see here reading memory, main memory success. So we have already reading the BIOS file with this HP. So I'm going to save here. Copy this here. So I'm going here for save file. I'm going to save it on desktop. This is HP ProBook. This is HP ProBook x360 G3 double E BIOS file. BIOS save. After save, I'm going to open the new file, which is this one. You can see this new folder. I have a file here that we probably see working. I'm going to open that file and the program it on my BIOS. So I'm going to come here to file, open, go to this PC desktop, new folder, go to new folder too. What is this? Desktop. This is your BIOS file. Let's check the file. This is new folder. Look on new folder. What is this? No. Let me open here. Let me copy this file. This is open BIOS. Copy this on desktop. This is working, so I'm going to open it. Go to file here. Open here. On desktop we have a why? I don't see my file is called working. Let's search here. Working. Let me the name here. Go to the name and copy this file here. After that, I'm going to paste here and searching. Working. I hope you can see the file is open. Is here. HP ProBook x360 11 GCWE working. This is the file which I want working. So I'm going to reprogram this file on my BIOS. Select everything here. Select protect errors, blank check, write and verify. Select all. After that, after selecting all, I'm going to click here on here. Right, I should be errors in the program. Be continue. Yes. So wait until it finish. You can see it is erasing. So wait until it finish. Programming memory and verifying success. So it's finished it. So I'm going to take out this. You can see it right now. I'm going to put the BIOS back on the board and we're going to test it together. So guys, put the heatsink back. After cleaning the board, you have to reprogram the memory, the BIOS chip. So we are going for testing. We are not testing if it's working or not, because we have all the voltage. So the problem may be the RAM, or maybe the RAM or the memory, because we have all the voltage I've shown you already. So this is a BIOS chip. We've already programming, so we're going to test it. Oh, remember we have the power button. Remember, this is the power button. This is your adapter. Check. Careful, test it. This is turning on the laptop. The laptop is on. You can see the power LED there. So let's take the external keyboard is here. The external keyboard. Whoa. Let's check here. Check. Look here. This is the caps lock. Is working. Is working. Is working. Is working. Working fine. Working fine. So guys, you can see the caps lock is working. You can see caps lock is working. You can see the num lock is working. You can see here the laptop will not restart again. I've told you guys before, if we have all the voltage on the motherboard, you have all the 3.3, have 5 voltage, you have 1.8, we have the CPU core voltage, you have all the voltage on the battery connector here, you have all the voltage. Means the problem may be the RAM or the BIOS, and not other things. We have the RAM voltage, we have the keyboard voltage, you have the voltage, and we have already programmed the BIOS. So the problem must be the BIOS or the RAM if you have all the voltage on the motherboard. So as you can see here guys, caps lock is working. So as a technician, you have to know what you are doing. If you check all the voltage are present, means the problem may be the BIOS or the RAM. So I'm going to put this motherboard back on the housing, then we'll test it again. So guys, I'm going to put the board back. You can see how this is the power jack. It's short, so you cannot remove it if you have another one. So the body is supposed to be here. The power jack, connect to the power jack first. After that, you have connected the switch. This is our switch. So let's take the screw, have to screw it back. Connect to the BIOS battery or CMOS battery. This is BIOS battery, or I can call it CMOS battery. You can see after connecting all the things, so put the laptop here. Okay, connect to the adapter. This laptop is turning on automatically. You can see you have the logo. We have the logo, we have the display, so it's restarting. You can see we have the, you can see guys, we have image. You can see F2 disk system hard disk, please install the operating system hard disk. So guys, it's working after reprogramming the BIOS. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This is Computer Tech Lab. Welcome.